What?
Hello. Hello. So guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how we can show people their own videos in Ome TV. Firstly, you have to install the OBS Studio. Just go to the link in description and then just download it and install. And you'll need this OBS Studio registry files. The link of this file is also given in description. To just download it. It's in zip form. So I'm just gonna firstly extract it. Extract. And we have the extracted folder here. Let's go inside it. We have got the fixer files here, 2 files, and these files are completely safe. They are just the registry keys for the OBS camera. Let me show you. If I go to edit, and you can see it will just register the OBS camera to PC with the name SD webcam C252. So it's completely safe. Close it here, and then we're gonna execute both these files here. Yes, okay. And then the second one, yes, okay. So just close it. Now what you're gonna do is just go to the search box and then type in here device manager, and then go to device manager, and we have to expand the cameras here, and then we're gonna disable the default camera of our PC. In my case is integrated camera, so I'm just gonna disable it. Just minimize it now because we're gonna come back to this in a while. And now launch your browser. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to the settings of your browser and search camera on the settings, and go to site settings, scroll down, and then go to camera. Now we're gonna select the camera from the drop down arrow here, and we have this new camera that is SD webcam C252. It's OBS camera, so select it, and after it's being selected, open new tab and then go to Ome TV. As you can see here, Ome TV has loaded the OBS virtual cam, so just minimize it. Don't do anything, just minimize. And now go to the device manager once again back, and then we're gonna enable the default camera that we had disabled earlier. Enable. Okay, it's been enabled. We can close it now. Launch the OBS Studio now. Just go to sources here, and we're gonna select video capture device firstly, and select the integrated camera from the list, and okay. Adjust your video to fill the size here. Again go to sources and click on plus once again, and we're gonna select the display capture now. Set it to automatic and then click on OK. Now what you're gonna do is keep this OBS a little bit right side, just like this, and open Ome TV. Bring the OBS Studio once again back. Now we're gonna crop this display capture screen, so press Alt from the keyboard, and then we're just gonna crop it here. So just like this, you have to crop the display capture screen to fit the video of Ome TV from other person. And now we're gonna bring this to the center and then expand it from the edge. So now what you're gonna do is we're gonna set the hotkeys to enable and disable this display capture. So go to file and go to settings, and now go to hotkeys. Come down here under the scene option here, and for the show display capture we're gonna set the hotkeys as yes, and for hide display capture we're gonna set the hotkeys as yes. Now apply. Okay. Now since we have set the hotkeys for display capture should be put at top. If it's not on top, put this on top, just like this. Okay, it's in top now. Now if you press the hotkeys yes, now your video will appear and the display capture will be hidden. Now if you press on yes, display capture will be appearing and your video will be hidden. This is the trick. Now don't start the virtual cam yet. The first step is that you have to start the video chat here, and then only start the virtual cam on OBS, otherwise you might get banned. So just start the video chat here firstly, and now go to OBS and we're gonna start the virtual cam just like this and minimize it from here. Now as you can see, people see the video from their own side.
It will be just
yes, just like this here. So now before you stop the video chat, what you're gonna do is just show your video here, otherwise you might get banned. And now we're gonna stop it from here and go to OBS, and then we're gonna stop the virtual cam. Now this will help you from not getting banned on Ome TV. So that's the way guys how you can show people their own videos in Ome TV. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.